Gonna be working on this one today. Got timing to mess with. My son actually wants this for his first truck, which is cool because it was my first truck too. Let's see if we can make this thing be rad, everybody. Whew. Hey y'all, welcome back to B-Rad Garage. We're back on the 85 Chevy square body today. This was my first high school truck, and I think actually my son wants it to be his truck too. He's gonna be helping me out today. We got timing issues from when I put a distributor in and some other things, but goal for today is definitely to have it like running under its own power. It'd be nice if we could see if it moves, but we'll save that for another day. Appreciate y'all. We've already got our shade out as hot as the dickens out here. Whew, let's get to it. Just a quick little look. This was my first high school truck. It's an 85 Chevy Silverado, and interior needs some help, but it's in pretty good shape. That's a dash cover. The seat's in great shape. We'll probably put some carpet in it. Now this you might get a kick out of. My dad ordered one of these from LMC catalog. It's a headboard full of speakers, and he liquid nails it to the roof. So sadly, I think my son is stuck with this one. But yeah, nothing super special. Just a 305 long bed truck, but I like this old truck. I used to call it Midnight when I was in high school. I remember keeping it shined up. It is far from that, but we can bring it back to hopefully its former glory. And I don't hate a long box. I know it's not everybody's jam, but you know, yeah, that's our umbrella. Central Texas is pretty toasty. So yeah, just thought I'd give you all a quick little look over this thing, and let's get to work. Okay, y'all, so we're sweating, but also if you watched the last video or where we're at on this truck now, it's backfiring real bad. And I put a new distributor in here and I probably messed it up. I've only stabbed a couple of these. Actually, that was my first one without any guidance, without my dad, without any help. So I think it's timing. So I talked to my cousin Ben. We're gonna rotate this back counterclockwise till the engine's hard to start over, then barely turn it clockwise and hope that's kind of close enough. Don't have a timing light. I got vacuum leaks galore, but we're gonna just take a shot at it. So I think that's step one. We're gonna hook the battery up and just bump this over until it's hard for it to turn. Okay, so I got our 9/16 undone on this foot here. It's kind of a pain if you don't have the right tool, and I forgot it. So anyway, now this can move. So I'm gonna rotate it counterclockwise while Bray changes or turns it over and see when it gets difficult for it to turn. So turn it over a couple times, Bray. Okay, stop. I wonder, really rotate? All right, couple more. Okay. Wow, that is a lot. That is a lot. Could I be that far off, y'all? It's possible. I think we're just gonna pour some gas down it and see if it'll start. We'll get back to y'all in a second. All right, y'all, full disclosure. Oh yeah, knock the gas over here, Brad, good job. We poured some gas down the front two barrels there. It did act like it wanted to start up and run. So I've hooked up the fuel system going through the old fuel pump, so we'll see. So we're just gonna try to turn it over and see if it'll run and what it sounds like. Go ahead, Bray. Okay, I didn't expect it to idle. So the fuel pump's probably trying to pump. I'm gonna put more gas in it. And then if it starts and acts like it's gonna die, just barely kind of tap, tap, tap the throttle. Ugh. All right, this is probably gonna be a disaster left-handed. Yeah, pretty close. Oh, I've done worse. Ugh. Everywhere though. Ooh. All right, see if I turn it over, it'll start. And then if it starts to die, I kind of tap it. Like now. Sorry, I didn't get the gas. That's all right. Pump it a few times. Just 3, 4, 5 times. We'll see if that's even working. And now just see if it'll start. Kind of doubt it, but. Okay, never mind. Now, it's acting like it wants to die again. So when it runs, just have your foot ready and kind of feather it. So pump it again 2 or 3 times. and then try to start it. And if it starts, just be ready to kind of feather the gas. I thought I got the gas. That's all right. I think you got an old fuel pump. There's a lot of things working against you. Let me hop in there for a second. Okay, y'all, full disclosure, it's hot. We already knew that. We fiddled with the distributor a little bit, put some fuel in it. It acts like it wants to run. And since I've got more experience with 4-year-old vehicles than my son does, because he hasn't even been alive that long, I'm gonna see if I can keep it running. We got vacuum leaks and everything, but let's see if we can get it running without a backfire. All right, here we go. Try it again. No, it just died. Is that progress, y'all? I don't know. It's so hot, I don't even know anymore. Okay, we're gonna take a break and get back with y'all. Okay, y'all, we stopped our vacuum leaks with duct tape because we're professionals. No, it's because I don't have any vacuum hose. But anyway, this is all temporary. Really want to see if it'll start on its own, see if we can keep it from backfiring again, and see if it'll idle. So here we go. He's probably running off what's in the car. Okay, it's time for a water break, y'all. That gives me faith because it's not backfiring and it's starting up good. Now it could be fueling, could be carburetor, vacuum, whatever. So we're gonna take a break and try to get some of the sweat off us. Okay, things definitely aren't perfect. Still haven't even taken the quadrijet off the motor yet, but we do have it where it'll start. So now, Bray's gonna film me, try to get it started, and then we'll check the tire. We can't move very far because I got the fuel line running to a fuel jug over here. So let's give it a shot. All right, let's check that tire. Oh, backfire. Okay, bit of a failure. It did try to move, but it's acting crazy like under load. So maybe it is still timing. We might have to go back to the drawing board yet again. But We have done a lot today. It is super hot. Still got stuff to do at the house. We can't do this all day. So I think we're gonna wrap it up for today and call it a day. All right, y'all, appreciate it. Not a super technical video. Got a lot of help from my very silent but very helpful son here. Ray's awesome. Really looking forward to getting this going right. You saw it logging down under load. I don't know if that's carb, it still might be timing. I'm still not 100% confident in the timing of the engine, so I don't know. I'm just gonna tell you that right now I don't know, but I know we wanna make this thing be rad again. Hope y'all are doing well on your projects. Now y'all take it easy and make it be rad, everybody.